How to go live on Yubo app. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, you can go to Yubo app or also even in website. After you do that, there is an option called Go Live with plus sign. Tap on it. Now you can enable the camera access or also the microphone access by toggling it on. After you do this, you can also give your live a tag by giving these pretty little tags. After you do that, you can gently tap on the Go Live. In this way, you will go live on Yubo app. If you found my video helpful, make sure to go and give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also make sure to share it with your friends to watch such more videos in the future. Thank you.